Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws Token Airdrop and Binance Listing, a major opportunity for crypto enthusiasts. Binance, the globally renowned cryptocurrency exchange, has unveiled an exciting opportunity for crypto investors and enthusiasts. The Paws Token Airdrop event, paired with the highly anticipated Paws listing on Binance, marks a key moment for the Paws ecosystem. This dual event is expected to elevate the token's market visibility, attract significant trading interest, and reward early supporters. About the Paws Token Airdrop. The Paws Token Airdrop is a limited-time event offering participants a chance to claim $10,000 PAWS tokens per wallet for free. With the airdrop open for only 24 hours, this is an exclusive opportunity for users to become part of the growing Paws community. Steps to participate in the airdrop. Submit your wallet address. Drop your $TON address in the designated section on the official event page. Follow Binance. Ensure you follow Binance's official account and turn on notifications to stay updated. Engage with the event. Retweet the pinned post related to the Paws airdrop to show your support. Key details. Airdrop duration. Open for 24 hours only. Reward per wallet. $10,000 PAWS tokens. Token delivery time. Tokens will be credited to wallets within 15 minutes of completing all steps. Paws listing on Binance. The listing of Paws on Binance is a monumental milestone for the project. With its listing date confirmed today, the token officially enters one of the most influential cryptocurrency markets, significantly enhancing its liquidity and accessibility. Initial listing price. The Paws token will debut at an initial price of 1 cent, offering early investors a compelling entry point. This price positions Paws as an attractive option for both new and seasoned crypto traders, sparking conversations about its potential for growth. Why the Paws listing matters. The Binance listing elevates Paws from a promising project to a globally recognized asset with increased visibility and credibility. Here's what this means for the market and investors. Increased market liquidity. As one of the world's leading exchanges, Binance provides the infrastructure and audience needed to boost trading volume and liquidity. Enhanced investor confidence. A Binance listing often signals strong project fundamentals, attracting institutional and retail investors alike. Potential for growth. At the listing price of 1 cent, Paws offers substantial room for appreciation, particularly as the project gains traction. Investor opportunities. The excitement surrounding the Paws listing has sparked discussions within the crypto community. Many investors see the 1 cent listing price as an enticing opportunity to enter early, with expectations of significant price appreciation as the token gains momentum. The airdrop adds another layer of value, allowing users to accumulate tokens without any upfront investment. By participating in the event, investors position themselves advantageously as the token begins trading on Binance. Market impact of Paws on Binance. The listing event is expected to catalyze the following developments. Increased trading volume. A Binance debut often results in heightened activity, driving price discovery and liquidity. Community growth. The airdrop will expand the Paws user base, fostering long-term engagement and project adoption. Enhanced visibility. Being listed on Binance ensures global exposure, opening doors for collaborations and integrations. Act now, don't miss out. The Paws Token Airdrop and Binance listing mark a pivotal moment for the project. By claiming free $10,000 PAWS tokens, participants not only secure early exposure to the token but also position themselves to benefit from its growth potential. Important dates. Airdrop window. Open for 24 hours only. Act fast. Paws listing on Binance. Officially confirmed today. Conclusion. The combination of the Paws airdrop and Binance listing represents a rare opportunity to participate in a token with substantial growth potential. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to crypto, this is your chance to join a vibrant project poised for success. Take action now. Claim your $10,000 PWS tokens through the airdrop, follow the simple steps, and be ready for trading at the initial price of 1 cent. The clock is ticking. Don't miss this opportunity to become part of the Paws community and capitalize on its bright future. Exciting news: Paws token airdrop and Binance listing. Binance, one of the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, has announced an amazing opportunity for crypto enthusiasts. The Paws token airdrop is here, giving you the chance to earn free tokens. On top of that, the official Paws listing date on Binance has been confirmed, marking a big moment for the Paws project. This double announcement is creating a buzz in the Paws community. Both the airdrop and the Binance listing are set to increase the token's popularity and expand its reach. How to join the Paws token airdrop. The Paws token airdrop is a special 24-hour event, and here's how you can claim $10,000 PWS tokens for free. Submit your wallet. Drop your $TON wallet address in the designated section. Follow Binance. Follow the official Binance Twitter account and turn on notifications to stay updated. Spread the word. Retweet the pinned post about the Paws airdrop. It's that simple. Make sure to complete these steps quickly before the 24-hour window closes. Airdrop rewards and timing. After completing the steps, every participant will receive $10,000 PWS tokens. The rewards will be credited to your wallet within just 15 minutes, easy and fast. Key airdrop details. Event duration: 24 hours only. Reward per wallet: $10,000 PWS tokens. Reward delivery: tokens will appear in your wallet within 15 minutes. Paws listing date and price on Binance. Here's the exciting part: Paws is officially listing on Binance today. This is a major milestone for the project, giving it exposure to millions of global users. Initial listing price: 1 cent per token. This entry price is perfect for early investors and those looking to hold for the long term. The listing is expected to boost Paws's visibility, attract new investors, and increase trading activity. Don't miss out. The Paws airdrop and Binance listing are creating a golden opportunity for anyone in the crypto space. Grab your $10,000 PWS tokens during the airdrop and get ready for trading on Binance at an attractive starting price of 1 cent. This is your chance to join the Paws community and potentially grow your crypto portfolio. Act fast. The clock is